Concentrate on exceeding expectations of your product as part of your referral marketing strategy. 62% of people do an online research before buying a product. This result is based on various actual surveys and statistics. They want to know what other customers who have already purchased a product have to say about it. They also care a lot about the reputation of the company that sells the product or service. In addition to those mentioned before, 90% of buyers trust brand recommendations from other persons they know. Just remember the last time you bought an expensive product. You asked your friends for recommendations, right? If you didn't do that, you spent some time reading reviews and feedback that other people who bought the product left on various websites. The same will happen with the product you sell. Someone will do a previous search. That's why you have to make sure that the customers who buy it leave a useful review and testimonial. You can get reviews and testimonials by providing the best possible user experience. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.